Shankar, I want to also ask about cement, as you would have guessed. But before that, since you raked up the per capita point, can I ask you? I've heard arguments from some money managers of late about how certain sectors consolidating when the per capita is quote unquote $2,000 in India make them ripe for stupendous gains at some point of time when the per capita improves, if it does, when it does. And telecom, media, etc., come out as examples of people saying that we are investing here because we believe that in 3, 4, 5 years' time, with the per capita moving up, these industries will make a lot of gain, and the two-player industry will actually benefit both the players. How do you kind of read the tea leaves here?
That's a valid argument. What they are not saying, maybe they have not gotten to that line of thinking, is a larger point here. Merely because something is a two-horse race doesn't make it necessarily attractive. If you look at telecom, for example, okay, telecom is a very, let's say, a game of very, very few players worldwide. Okay, in every country, they are not like, 15 manufacturers of those services. There are maybe 2 or 3, tops 4. But the stock price performances have been terrible.
Yes.
You've not made money buying telecom stocks for decades now, anywhere in the world. Okay. So, I mean, just that argument itself is flawed. That, merely because, you have a two-horse race, it's going to be a, big sort of upside out there. The larger reason to think of why it might work, okay, there is an argument in favor of that broad thinking, is that I think because of the collapse in VC funding, which is happening and will happen, a lot of the disruptions around industries will cease. Okay. So there will be consolidation, and on the other hand, entry of new the barriers to entry because of a capital scarcity will increase, which will make it better for incumbents in consolidated industries. That's really the bigger thing that I think will play out. We will see how it works out sector by sector, but I think that is an important aspect to focus on as well.